Hey, what's up, guys? So yeah, man. What I'm trying to say about the next 100, the daily time. So you guys see last week that I only post about I did post about gold, right? And I told you guys to sell gold and it wasn't profit, and I had to move my stop loss to a break even because that the gold was going against me. So I don't want it to just that's why you're supposed to always using your stop loss. So yeah, I'm looking at this. I've been looking at this since last week. It's just in the same area where I want it to be. So when I look at the daily, it's just the same thing, and I just go down on the weekly. It's the same goddamn thing. And what I look at the nest is just like the nest is reaching, uh, the nest reaching, 112.34, right? So last week, let me see. That wasn't last week. When was it reached that price? So on June 14, wow, like a couple weeks, like a few weeks ago, like 2 weeks ago, right? On June 14, yeah, Ness reached 10 30. I mean 10 or I mean 103.31, something like that. So this is the price that Ness reached, right? Thousand something. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to look at the monthly and then look at the chart. So you see what the chart is telling you, which is the bullish, right? The market is going up, which is bullish. So this is where people getting confusing in this. Sometimes they just like wanna continue to just like you see right there, at this area right there. Just I'm looking at, you see on this area right here, right? You see that area right here? That's where you can make money. That's a monthly account. I mean, that's a monthly chart I'm showing you guys right now. This area right here, I'm going to zoom in so I could show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, you see there's so many engagement right here. So that's where you can make a lot of money when you see bullish like this, and then that's where you can make money. And this is what the bearish already telling you that the market is gonna drop and give you a middleman right here. So that's where I would just sell next right here on this area. You see that middleman, that little candlestick right here? That's where I would just wait for this candle to just that middleman to just reset, and then after I see this candle, that's why I was just start selling because of this candle's weak, and it's only showing me the market is dropping. So that's why I was selling, because you see that first candle, the bearish candle that was dropping over here and then pulling back up, and then just giving us another one which is in I don't know how to say that, but yeah. So that's why I would just like sell it. I would sell it from here. I'll set it from here, and then I would just like wait for the market, and then this is where I would just take my profit. You see, beautiful. You could have take your profit from here, or take your profit from here, which is what the market reaching double touch. You see right here, that's a double touch right here, right? I'm gonna show you why I'm saying why that's double touch. You see the red candle right here, touch, and the green candle right here touch, and this candle, the other green candle, which is the bullish candle right here, touch. So you see that touch right here, where you could have the opportunity to just keep on continue selling. Because if I see this right here and then I put my markup like this, and I see this, I'll continue. I'll just wait for the market to just give me a correction, just like it just did. Give me that correction up here, and then set it again. Or I'll just drop to the weekly, and then to have more information. You see right here, I'll just look at here, and then that's where we was at. We was at this area down there. That's where the market just do the double touch. Hold on, then let me unzoom this. That's where the market do the double touch, right down there. Hold on, sorry guys, right down there, and it's still the same thing for me. So, and then the market just pull back up, right? The market just pull back up. After pull back up, you're just doing the same thing again, dropping and pull back, dropping and pull back. So that's where this is where a lot of opportunity for you to make money, right? Right, just like this. That's where the opportunity for you to make a lot of money. So now what I'm looking at next right now, it's just on a bullish, and it's switching. It's still in the same area that where I want it to be, and now I'm just trying to looking for sale, but I'm not going to do any sale yet. I'm trying to wait for next to do what I wanted to do, then I will start looking for a sale. So I'm just gonna drop on the daily chart again, guys, so I can show you guys everything. So this is another bullish candle that's forming right here, which is the market might just go back up a little bit more and then continue to drop, or it might just reach the area that it reached like 2 weeks ago and then do its thing. It might drop to 94.78 and then pull back again and continue going back up and then drop again, because next, like I said, next, guys, next 100 is in a bullish. It's in a bullish area. It doesn't matter if you're still getting bearish and corrective, it's still in a bullish area. So you have to be really careful, or you can't just blow your account. So that's where I'll just take a trade. So I'm gonna look at the 4 hours so I can get more confirmations on my analyze. So when I look at this chart right here, you see what I'm saying to you guys? That's exactly what I'll be saying. Like, you have to look at the chart in the higher price, like monthly. You have to go for monthly, weekly, and daily. But most of the time I use the daily chart, and then I use the 4 hours and the 1 hour, and then I go for the 15-minute chart and 5-minute chart, just when I want to get early interest. So when I zoom this right here, right, so okay, like what I see right here, I'm gonna show you guys what I see. Let me see, still on the bullish, and the market, you see what I'm saying to you guys? I'm gonna show you where the market is actually about to drop. I'm not predicting the market, guys. I'm not predicting the market. I'm using my own analyze just to show you guys what I see. Object. Okay, I think I'm gonna use this one. So when I go right here and scroll down, what did you see? What do you see? Dropping, right? The market's dropping. What you see right here? So would you still try to buy the market from here, or would you just wait for the market to break this candle, my trend line, up to 10, or maybe touching that area and then sell it? You could still having it sense like you could still have 40, 30, 40, 50, 50% of buying this and then being profit up if you reach up that area. But if you're waiting, being patient, because that's a 4-hour chart, you could wait maybe like 2 weeks, 1 week, not 1 week, a few days, like maybe like tomorrow the market might just kick up, or maybe later on London session it might kick up, and then you're just gonna see the drop that I'm talking about. So I'm gonna just like unzoom this for you guys so you guys can see everything. So you see that drop, I'm going to put another trend line. I'm going to put another trend line right there. You see this? That's a flag. That's a beautiful flag. That's a beautiful flag. You see this? So who are you gonna tell me that you wouldn't like just being profit in this? If you're not getting profit in this, so I just don't know. So I'm not gonna get in profit in this when I'm actually showing you everything. I'm showing you guys everything. So I'm gonna show you guys another cheat keys that I use also on my chart sometime. Now I don't really use it. It's not always working all the time, but I'm just gonna show you guys the cheat key that I use sometimes. You see where I'm marking the market right here. So I have a flag, right? So this is look exactly like a flag. I'm gonna show you what the flag look like. I don't know if you guys know what a flag look like, but let me show you what a flag look like. So when you do this, boom, you put this together here. What do you see? A flag, right? That's a flag. Okay, I'm gonna scroll this down. That's a flag. I'm gonna scroll this down right here. Okay, I'm gonna just leave it right there. That's a beautiful flag, right? So okay, the market is just reached that area and getting weak. That is forming another bullish, which is don't give you see all this bullish. That's where the market is start getting weaker, because the bullish start getting weaker and weaker, and you see they smaller, they start closing smaller. That's you see that green one right here. From here is it's open right here and close on the top. So you see that green one right here, right? That's bullish right here. You see how big it is? That's a 4 hours candles. That's a 4 hours candle. So the next one is another 4 hours. So that means after 4 hours, this next candle form, and after another 4 hours, this next candle forms. So you see how small they getting little by little.
Yeah.
That's how you figure out the market is getting weaker from a bullish sign. So that's where you're gonna have the right opportunity to start looking for a sell, and then you could just kill the market. So this is another bullish, which is too small, which is the market is getting weaker. And when you look at the left side of the market, tell me, what do you see? What do you see when you look at the left side of the market? You see the market dropping.
Yeah.
You see the market's dropping because there's a flag. I'm gonna show you the flag again. You see the market's dropping, right? Okay. So I'm gonna show you exactly why I'd say the market is dropping. It's because you see all this green, right? There's a green from here. 4 hours green, another 4 hours green, which is weaker, but it's still kicking up, pushing, because the big boy was still holding and confusing people in the market, because it's just like other people that was holding this bearish candlestick, which is the red one, which is that's a 4 hours, that's another 4 hours, and the big boys cut it, closed it right here, and then it's just start pushing back up. So that's where most,
and then the red just dropped.
Exactly. That's where you see the next one. You see where the red candles bearish showing up right here.
That means that the market is little.
That's what you're calling you could just call it a reversing, but it's not that powerful yet. It's not that powerful yet.
It could probably change.
Yeah, it's not what I'm gonna tell you why it's not that powerful. It's not that powerful is because there's more green keep on forming, which is the market still in a bullish position. So now you see after the red candle, because you see why the red candles form here is because of people that was already interested on the market right here, and all the traders seeing this, and they taking trade from here, and more people taking trade from here because it's already do a double touch from here to here. The green, you see that green candle on the left side, and you see that other green candle on the left side. They both the same thing. So the market reverse and then touching that same area. That's exactly, you see that red candle form, because people start thinking the market's gonna reverse yet, but not yet. So they selling. So but because they selling here, but they too weak and they too many buying, so the buy kick the market back up, and then you see that's why you see that little weak candle forms from the 4 hours candle. Hold on, give me a second. That's why you see that little candle form from the 4 hours candle. Hold on, I think I'm gonna. Okay, yeah, that's what it's from. So after this, it just continue going up. So I'm gonna, okay, I don't want to talk too much about it. I'm just gonna show you where the flag is forming, and why I see the market's going on the bullish. So that's where the market is going on the bullish after this right here. Oh my god, I just want to record this, but this thing keep popping up. So I'm gonna just end up this video, guys, and man, I'm gonna just continue it. And so later on, I'm just gonna keep watching this, and then I'm just gonna like because I keep getting like decline with my Cash App stuff. I think I'm getting this deposit or something. It's not successful. So I'm gonna just like so wait, hold on, it's not popping up anymore. So yeah, okay, and let's just drop on the 1 hour. So when I drop in the 1 hour chart, you still see a flag. You still see a flag right here, and you see how the market looking like is bearish. The market looking at in a bullish and bearish position, which is the market could kick up. If this is where I expect the market could kick up. If the market kick up, I expect it to kick up or get to the same level that it was at, and then drop. So that's why you need to be really patient. When I'm calling about next, and I'm calling about to take a signal, you have to be patient, or wait and see what the market is doing. Or if I'm already in there, you could take it, and make sure you use your stop loss. So yeah, I'm gonna just end this video from here, guys. I don't want to talk too much about it. I don't want to talk too much on the video, and you guys haven't heard from me for like 2-3 weeks. Is because I have been going through some situation. Grandma passed away, and some other my family member passed away and stuff like that. So I've been going through a lot of things, but I'm good though. I'm good. So I'm gonna just end this video right here and make sure you guys just let me know what you guys thinking. If you guys have any questions, even if I'm posting that, even if I'm posting this video on my Telegram, you guys can just contact me on Telegram and tell me what your idea, or you can just share your chart with me, because in the next month, or in the next month, or I mean July, after July, what's the next month? August.
My birthday.
In July or August, I'm going to be fire in the market for you guys. But I'm still gonna try to pose as much as I can. But in all July, when the next month is coming out, I'm really gonna be focused. You guys gonna see me posing the same way that I used to pose, crazy, and you guys gonna eat with me, just like I said. So I'm out. Peace out.